Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a gluten-free Aussie vegan, and today I'm sort of doing two little recipes. With one of them we'll combine into one main dish. That being, I'm going to show you how to make vegan Parmesan, and this is so quick you'll be just like, why the heck didn't I make this sooner? So that'll be vegan Parmesan, and then we'll be using that later to make, I'm going to make Mexican street corn for the first time, or I think the name is Elote. Probably get that wrong. I've never had it before, but I have seen quite a few recipes for it, and it looks so good. So I was like, yep, finally time to try it. So, but in the meantime, let's get this vegan Parmesan underway. All you're going to need is 3/4 of a cup of cashews into the little blender there, followed by 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then half a teaspoon of onion powder, followed by half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Get that last little bit I missed. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. Now I'm using Himalayan pink salt here, but that's not for any special reason. That's just what I had in the cupboard. So if you just have your white sea salt, that's fine too. So we'll just whack that in, and then give that all a blend. So because this is my first time making this, you're going to see the results right along with me. Let's do it. Just like that. That would have been, I don't even reckon that was 15 seconds, but 10 to 15 seconds and boom. And I don't even have a particularly strong blender, so let's see. Hopefully I didn't blend it too long even. Oh no, see, that's even sticky. Although I guess Parmesan can be known for being a little moist, so I'm just going to break that up. And then, as you can see, I have to have a taste test, so yeah, that is good. And as you just saw, so fast to make. You'll be like, yeah, you won't need any excuses. You won't need to buy store-bought Parmesan. I was tempted for the Elotes. I was going to buy the store-bought one, which I think is about $8 or $9, where it's already pre-made. But I'm like, that was 2 seconds. Far less processed, you know. Rich ingredients, and that'll last a while. So there you go. There's our vegan Parmesan. And if you want to see the recipe where I use the vegan Parmesan on the Mexican street corn elotes, you better click the link in the description, because I will link that recipe for you to watch as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was vegan Parmesan.